Hi, my name's Shin, and today I'm going to be listening to a horse's heart and their lungs. So you want to start by listening to their heart using a stethoscope. I'm going to place my stethoscope right between the 4th and 6th intercostal space, or right around the elbow. So, listening in that space, I am hearing a heartbeat of 3 beats per every 6 seconds. So I'm going to multiply that by 10, and that's going to be a 30 beats per minute heart rate. To listen to his lungs, I'm going to listen to the ventral and dorsal spaces right here. So I want to start up top. During this time, I can also get my respiration. His respiration was 4 breaths in 6 seconds. Times that by 10, that's 40 respirations, so 40 breaths per minute. Then I'm also going to listen to the dorsal. And then with any exam, you'll want to repeat this on the other side. I'm going to squeeze Twain out a little bit. Move, boo-boo. Move, boo-boo. Good job. And I'm basically going to repeat exactly what I did on the other side. We're going to listen between the 4th and 6th intercostal spaces. And listening to his lungs, we're going to listen ventrally and dorsally. And his lungs sound very clear and healthy. Thank you.